Welcome guys, today I will show you how to change navigation buttons order on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the settings app, move down to the gestures chapter, here choose system navigation part from the on-screen gestures section, then make sure that 3-button navigation method is activated and use this gear icon to go next. Alright, now you can see here is a feature, change button order. So back arrow can appear on the left or right side. Use this toggle to switch the side. Boom. And that's how it works. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.